Peace and blessings, everyone. Welcome back to the Humble Servant Homestead. And so, guys, to give you all a quick recap on what it is that we're getting ready to do here today. Of course, when I came on out here to remove all the debris that came up out of the woods, yes, we did see some things that we need to go ahead and fix right away, guys. Okay, pretty much what is going on here, we have a bit of corrosion from all that water, and this right here is a issue that we need to go ahead and fix, and so that is what we're getting ready to do today. So pretty much we have been getting quite a bit of water coming through here, and it has just been corroding the road, or the driveway. It has been corroding the driveway, and so we're going to go ahead and kind of touch on this issue here today. So come on along and let's go ahead and rectify the problem. What I end up going ahead and do, I went on up and I grabbed some bricks that I had just laying around on the property. And so what we're going to do, we're going to take all this brick right here and start filling in this these areas right here, guys. Okay, so come on along and let's go. One of the things that I want to go ahead and do once I start laying all this brick down in this area, I don't want to start up here at this area. I want to start down at the very bottom with those bricks and work my way on up. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead and sit these bricks, and I'm also going to sit them up underneath the culvert as well, or up underneath the drain as well, because with all that water that has been coming through, the water is going up underneath the up underneath the drain, guys, and we don't want that, because what can happen, that pressure of the water can wash all that dirt and silt out from up underneath the drain, and it just so happened one day I could be coming across and that whole thing can collapse. So we're going to push it up underneath. Oh, look at there, we got a few ants. Got a few ants up in that area right there as well. So what I'm doing now is just pretty much got a few ants. We got a lot of ants. Okay? But we're not going to let these ants stop us from working, guys. So we're just going to keep on going. And so pretty much, if you see me knocking it with my foot, I just want to make sure that these bricks is sitting down real nice and sturdy in that area. Okay, so I'm just keep on packing till I get all the way up to where the road is, guys, so that way we don't have to lose our our driveway, because that's a whole nother issue. Don't know if y'all can see all those ants crawling on me, but we're gonna go ahead and get them on out the way. And so you kind of get an idea of what I am doing right here. Just pretty much just packing that stone all in this area right here, guys. And just even the other day, once the flood came through, was just talking to the neighbor, and he says, hey, you know what? The county don't come out and fix any of these issues like this right here. And so unless it blow out, okay? And I'm not going to sit down and wait for my driveway to blow out for someone to come and fix it. So, hey, as y'all can see, we show you all the good, the bad, and the ugly here on the homestead, guys. Just coming on out here, fixing it myself, to just, hey, fix a problem. Because, and this is the solution to the problem, is coming on out here, packing some bricks to get it fixed. Now, what I will also do once I pack it up, I may leave a little bit of room in here to where I can maybe throw some gravel or something of that nature, which it may wash away anyway, because it's just some small little pebbles that I have that I would put in this area. So I may either use the gravel, or I may just get some dirt and bring it and compact it on in. So just go ahead and stay tuned. I'm going to grab another wheelbarrow load of bricks and come on down here and fill them, fill this hole on up. So just stay tuned, guys. So one of the thing is I don't want to put any small stone down in this area right here, because once that water pressure gets real heavy, it's just going to take that stone away. So I just want to kind of put some big, put the bricks in there, kind of tuck them in to where that the water won't take them away. What I'm also going to do right here in the mouth, where the water is going in, I want to come on in with some rocks, some good sized rocks, and just go ahead and place them right here in the mouth of this area to keep any dirt from further washing away down into the drain. So far, we got it all packed pretty good. Okay, so what I will go ahead and do now is instead of putting some small rocks in this area, I'm just going to go ahead and put dirt back on top of it, so that way whenever I come to cut the lawn, if the water don't take it away, it would be a smooth sailing once I come to cut the grass. All right, so that right there is pretty much packed in real nice. Just about what we're looking for right there, guys. Okay. Hey, that is life on the homestead. So far it's looking good. It's a whole lot better than what it was looking like before. Okay, so I'm going to take you all over there on the other side. Now I'm going to have to get some pretty good sized boulders out of the woods, guys, to put in that area, because a lot of that water, and I'm going to show you. So right here, if you notice, what happened over the years, it is pretty deep in this area right here, because all that water, the pressure from that water coming from out of the drain, pretty much beat. It comes so fast with such pressure to where that it's washing out all this dirt that was once in this area right here. So right here at the mouth, I'm going to go ahead and put some pretty big boulder in that area right there. And I'm also going to have to get some to put inside of that area and pack it back on up, guys. Because like I said, if I don't come in and fix this, it can be a bigger issue later on down. And I don't want that, because when we moved here, it was not like this. And as y'all can see, as it's raining and the water keeps on coming, you see what's happening. So yes, we're going to go ahead and fix it. So stay tuned. Yes, I'm going to take you all along with me as well. I know this may not be something that may be of interest, guys, but trust me. One thing is that you would have to learn, if you have a homestead, a lot of times, if certain things that you can do yourself, go ahead and do it. The reason why, you're able to save a whole lot of money. That is resource that can go into something else. So for me, I believe that if I can do the work, why not go ahead and do it myself to save a little bit of money. Now, one of the thing is, hey, you want to make sure that you get it done the right way. Okay, so because I already have quite a bit of boulders and big stones here on the homestead, I'm just going to go ahead on and just use what I have on hand to get the problem fixed. So come on along and let's go, guys. and push in the front. Good. Okay, and as y'all can see, we are moving boulders and stones and rocks from out of the woods, guys, just so that we can go ahead and fill that hole right there. So yes, there is a bit of work that goes into it. Okay, you're not going to just snap your finger like that and they move and go in places. Just even out here working, guys, just a quick little scripture come to me right now. Pretty much, hey, what the words say, faith without works is dead. So that lets you know that, hey, you have to come on out here and work it. Okay, yeah, you have faith, but if you don't have no works behind it, nothing will get done. You have to still come on out and put your hand to the plow, guys, so you can get it done. And that's exactly what we're doing out here today. So stay tuned, come on along with us, we're gonna get it knocked out today. Okay, and so here I got a few boulders here, guys. Now, do I have enough to fill this area right here in? I don't believe I do, but I'm going to go ahead and work with what I have for right now. And if it's not enough, I will go ahead back into the woods once more and gather some more to go ahead and fill it in. Now, what I'm going to go ahead and do, I did pick up some pretty big size stone out of the woods, and that is what I am going to go ahead and pack down on the bottom first and work my way on up with the smaller stones. Okay? So what I pretty much want to do is just get them inside of that cavity and go ahead and fill it on up. And for those little smaller spaces, that's where those smaller stones comes in real handy, guys. And so that's what I'm going to use the smaller ones for, is to pack in those little smaller cracks, because we want to get this here as filled as possible and get all the cracks filled up. And also, one of the things that you want to be careful with, of course, I should have me on some gloves out here, but you want to be very careful with your fingers because you're dealing with stones and you don't want to clash them together with your finger in the middle because you can have a rough day, guys. And like I said, I know that was not going to be enough. And so what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, just stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and grab some more stones so I can fill this all in. This is one of the things, like I said, guys, I want to get it done today um, because we're supposed to have some rain coming through the week and I don't want this driveway to blow out. So stay tuned. I will be back once we get all of this right here filled in and show you all the finishing touch. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, and I am telling you, it is just about all in a day's work. Um, so, what I went ahead and did, it's always one of those things you work smart and not hard. And so, a lot of the stone that I was pulling from out of the woods was a further distance, and of course, I had to go through a couple of obstacles to get them over here. So, what I went ahead and did is the previous owner here, guys, had these stone right here in the front of the yard. As you all can see, they are painted blue, and so they are a whole lot closer. And so I went ahead and used those stone instead, throw them over the fence. And so now I'm going to go ahead and start packing um, this area right here on out. All right. So, hey, when I'm done, I am going on up, taking me a shower, and I am going to relax, okay? Because this has been an all morning thing. Of course, I have to get all that debris up, and then I move on to over to this right here because I did not want another storm to come and catch it in the condition that it is in. Because if you all can see how it is being corroded, all right? Watch. No water get you, did it? Whew, come on. Okay, guys, and that right there is going to be it for today. Like I said, been at it all morning. Now it's time to take a break and do it all over again tomorrow. Now I am going to go ahead and put a little bit more stone up on the top and also down at the bottom where the water is coming out of, so that way the pressure of the water don't dig any deeper down into the soil, washing out all that dirt and silt, guys. So that right there is pretty much it. All right, so I got that side over there finished, and I also got this side right here. I'll say probably about uh, I say about 85% of it is about done. So it's looking a whole lot better than it was before. So hey, For that, I am happy and I'm just thankful to the Most High just for those stones just being here laying around on the property, guys. And I'm able to come on in and use them and put them to good use. All right, so that is pretty much it right there. I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you all out there for stopping by the Humble Servant Homestead and coming along with me, laying stones around the drain. And hey, that is it. As y'all can see, I'm sweaty, I'm dirty. I'm going to cool down and then take me a real nice warm bath just to, you know, hey, get out of all this dirty clothes here, guys. So just want to say peace and blessings to each and every one of you all out there. Remember, you keep a smile on your face, you be happy, you be cheerful, and you be blessed. Until next time, I will catch you all in another video. Have a blessed day.